Hi. Today we're going to talk about the weather.
Weather.
Weather. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today? It's windy.
It's windy.
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 It's rainy.
It's rainy. It's rainy.
Rainy.
Rainy. It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
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 It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. Hot.
Hot. It's cold.
It's cold.
Cold.
Cold. It's snowy. It's snowy. Snowy. It's snowy. It's cloudy. Cloudy. It's cloudy. Cloudy. Wet. Wet. Dry. Dry. Wet. Dry. It's dry. The weather is dry. It's dry. Wet. It's wet. It's wet. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's rainy and wet. It's rainy and wet. Sydney. Sydney, Australia. Sydney. What's the weather like in Sydney today? What's the weather like in Sydney? It's cloudy and rainy in Sydney. It's cloudy and rainy in Sydney. Now, what's the weather like in your city today? What's the weather like in your town today? And that's it for our lesson on weather, brought to you by ESL Kids Lab at English-4kids.com or eslkidslab.com. Goodbye.